In the shadowy world of espionage and covert operations, a new and dangerous technology is emerging. From the tales of ancient ninjas to modern-day special forces, the ability to vanish from sight captivates the imagination. But what if I told you that this dream is no longer confined to science fiction? What if China has developed a technology that makes invisibility a reality? Let's uncover the incredible advancements in Chinese invisibility technology that have left the world astounded. In the late 2010s, reports began to surface about China's military experimenting with advanced camouflage systems. These weren't just your typical camouflage patterns. These were high-tech solutions aimed at making soldiers and equipment completely undetectable. The breakthrough came with the development of a hybrid camouflage technology that combined the principles of metamaterials and lenticular grating. So what exactly are metamaterials? Imagine a material that can bend light around an object, much like water flowing around a rock. This is the fundamental principle behind metamaterials. They are engineered to have properties not found in naturally occurring materials, allowing them to manipulate electromagnetic waves, including visible light, radar waves, and infrared signals. By bending these waves around an object, the object effectively becomes invisible to detection. Lenticular grating, on the other hand, is a technique that uses an array of tiny cylindrical lenses to refract light in a specific way. This technology has been demonstrated by Chinese scientists who managed to make their legs disappear using a fabric embedded with these lenses. The fabric works by compressing the image of the object behind it into thin, unrecognizable strips, creating the illusion of invisibility. Combining these two technologies, Chinese researchers have created a hybrid camouflage system that not only hides objects from the naked eye, but also from radar and infrared detection. This means that soldiers equipped with this technology can move undetected through various terrains, evading traditional surveillance and targeting systems. China's advancements in invisibility technology don't stop with ground troops. Another revolutionary development is the invisibility cloak designed specifically for drones. Unlike the hybrid camouflage system intended for soldiers, this cloak is focused on making drones invisible to electronic detection systems and adapt to changing environments. Experts highlight that creating an aero-amphibious cloak that can manipulate electromagnetic scattering in real time against dynamic terrain is extremely challenging. This requires complex amplitude-tunable metasurfaces and intelligent algorithms capable of handling incomplete inputs and non-uniqueness. To address these challenges, Chinese researchers developed a self-driving, cloaked unmanned drone. This drone combines sensing, decision-making, and action seamlessly, thanks to a special technique that adjusts its surface in space and time, allowing it to blend in or stand out in different environments like water, ground, or air. The key to this breakthrough is a smart learning system called a generation elimination neural network. This system helps the drone figure out the best way to adjust by trying different options and selecting the optimal one based on probabilities, with a similarity rate of up to 95%, said the study. By combining deep learning, powerful control systems, and spatiotemporal metasurfaces, researchers have opened the world of invisibility cloaks to flying platforms. The intricate relationship between waves and metasurfaces is deciphered by the integrated neural network, acting as an advanced commander. This work heralds a new paradigm in inverse design and has potential applications beyond its immediate scope, potentially acting as a catalyst for future materials discovery and the development of adaptive meta-devices. The implications of these technologies are profound. On the battlefield, the ability to remain invisible can provide a significant strategic advantage. Soldiers can approach enemy lines without being seen, conduct reconnaissance missions without detection, and avoid being targeted by enemy radar and infrared systems. This level of stealth can change the dynamics of modern warfare, making it harder for adversaries to detect and counter military operations. Moreover, the hybrid camouflage system and the drone invisibility cloak are lightweight and flexible, making them suitable for various applications beyond just military uniforms. Vehicles, drones, and even buildings can be coated with these technologies, rendering them invisible to enemy surveillance. Imagine an entire convoy of trucks moving through enemy territory without being detected, or a drone flying over a target without triggering radar alarms. The possibilities are endless. China's advancements in this field have caught the attention of the global community, while other countries, such as Canada, are also developing their own versions of invisibility cloaks. The Chinese approach stands out due to its multispectral invisibility capabilities. This means that it can evade detection across multiple types of surveillance, including visible light, radar, and infrared. The potential uses of this technology extend beyond the military. In the civilian sector, invisibility cloaks could revolutionize privacy and security. Imagine having an invisible room where you can retreat from the prying eyes of surveillance cameras, or invisible clothing that protects your identity in public spaces. However, with these benefits come significant ethical and legal concerns. The ability to become invisible could be exploited for criminal activities, making it imperative to establish regulations and safeguards to prevent misuse. Downsides and ethical concerns. Despite the groundbreaking potential of these invisibility technologies, there are notable downsides and ethical concerns that must be addressed. One major concern is the potential misuse of invisibility cloaks for criminal activities. The ability to become invisible could be exploited by criminals to evade law enforcement, conduct surveillance, or commit theft without detection. This raises significant security and privacy issues that need to be managed through stringent regulations and safeguards. Additionally, the development and deployment of such advanced technologies could lead to an arms race among nations, each striving to outdo the other in stealth capabilities. This could destabilize global security, leading to increased tensions and the potential for conflict. The use of invisibility technology in warfare also raises ethical questions about the fairness and transparency of military engagements. Moreover, the reliance on AI and machine learning to control these technologies introduces concerns about the potential for malfunction, misconfigurations, and misuse. If the intelligence systems guiding these cloaks were to be hacked or fail, it could lead to unintended consequences, including the exposure of covert operations or the loss of critical assets. Finally, there are broader societal implications to consider. The ability to render objects and people invisible could erode trust in public and private spaces, leading to a heightened sense of surveillance and paranoia. It could also impact the way we perceive reality and interact with our environment, as the line between visible and invisible becomes increasingly blurred. In conclusion, the development of invisibility technology by China marks a significant milestone in the field of stealth and surveillance. By leveraging the principles of metamaterials and lenticular grating, Chinese scientists have created a hybrid camouflage system that can render objects undetectable to the human eye, radar, and infrared sensors. Additionally, the innovative invisibility cloak for drones highlights China's commitment to advancing stealth technology across various platforms. These breakthroughs have the potential to transform military tactics, enhance privacy, and introduce new ethical challenges. As this technology continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how it shapes the future of espionage and covert operations.